Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Here is a wrapping up. I have done a tutorial on how to crochet this beautiful succulent plant motif. I will pin it so you can check it out. And this is sold and it is flying to California, USA. Yeah, so happy. I can buy more yarn. Yay! I already did. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and do not forget to hit the notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care. Bye-bye.